Hello everyone. In this example, we are given that s equal to 1 is a root of the equation s cubed minus 2s squared minus 5s plus 6 equal to 0. I was asked to find the other roots, okay? So, how do we proceed? Now, notice, if we are given that s equal to 1, if you take 1 across, it becomes minus 1. So s minus 1 equal to 0. So if s equal to 1 is a root of this equation, then s minus 1 is a factor of the left hand side, s cubed minus 2s squared minus 5s plus 6. So s minus 1 can divide this. Okay? So let's use s minus 1 to divide this so that we can find the other factors. And from the other factors, we can get the other roots of the equation. Okay? So to use x minus 1 to divide this, we have to use long division method. So let's set it up. S cubed minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6. Then x minus 1 here. Okay. So we'll pay attention to the first expression here, x, and the first expression, s cubed. So what will I use to multiply x to give me s cubed? It's nothing but a squared. So I write s squared here, and then I'll use it to multiply. So s squared times s will give me s cubed minus s squared times 1 will give me s squared. Then I will subtract. Okay? This minus this cancels. Then minus 2s squared minus s squared will give me minus 2s squared plus s squared, which is minus s squared. Okay? Then I'll bring down one of these, minus 5x. Okay, so I'll pay attention on this and this. What will I use to multiply x to give me minus x squared? It is nothing but minus x. So minus x times x is minus x squared. Minus x times minus 1 is plus x. Okay? Then I'll subtract. This minus this cancels. Then minus 5x minus x will give me minus 6x. Then I'll bring down plus 6. Okay? I'll pay attention on this and this. What will I use to multiply x to give me minus 6x? It's nothing but minus 6. Okay? Then minus 6 times x will give me minus 6x. And minus 6 times minus 1 will give me plus 6. So if they subtract, we'll get 0. So it's actually a factor. Okay? Now, this means that the other roots can be gotten from the roots of the equation s squared minus x minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, so let's solve this equation now. Okay, let's use a quadratic formula. The coefficient of s squared a is 1. The coefficient of x b is minus 1. The constant c is what? Minus 6. Okay, so you use the quadratic formula. Says that s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, which is what? Minus 1, because b is minus 1, plus or minus square root of b squared, which is minus 1 squared minus 4a, which is 1c, which is minus 6, all over 2 times 1. Okay? So this is equal to minus 1 is 1, plus or minus square root of minus 1 square is 1, then minus 4 times 1 is minus 4, and minus 4 times minus 6 will give us plus 24. Okay? All over 2 times 1 is 2. So this is 1 plus or minus square root of 25 all over 2, which is 1 plus or minus 5, because square root of 25 is 5, all over 2, which is 1 plus 5 over 2, or 1 minus 5 over 2. And what is 1 plus 5? 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3, or 1 minus 5 is minus 4, and minus 4 divided by 2 is what? Minus 2. So the other roots are 3 and minus 2. So the answer is option C. Thank you for listening.